Rich, gêm gyfartal yn y pen draw, ond dwi'n cymryd efo Hwlffordd yn sgorio mor hwyr i nioni'r sgôr bod o'n deimlad eitha rhwystredig ar hyn o bryd.
Yndi, rhwystredig, siomedig. Mae rhaid ni'n neud mwy. Yn y stage yna, da ni'n cael 2 opportunity i cleirio bel. A just wneud y basics o dda, da ni'n gorau adeg yna'r stage a wedyn. Da ni'n cael yn dal, dim bach o ball watching. Oedden ni wedi dweud bod Shepherd gymaint o threat a gwybod beth mae'n gallu gwneud a da ni'n switch off unwaith a da ni'n cael yn cosbi. Ond eto, dim bod fi eisiau swnio bach yn bitter, ond dwi'n meddwl bod y gol gyntaf yn definite foul ar Phil yma. Mae yna gymaint o'r penderfyniadau yma gen y referees yma ar y funud yn absolutely shocking, sorry. A dwi'n siŵr bod gai ffein am ddeud hynna, ond mae rai fi fod yn onast ar dweud beth dwi'n feddwl. So, dyddol so hwnna, os da ni'n tŵn aelod yna, a mae hwnna jyst rhoi lifeline iddyn nhw, dwi'n teimlo. So, ti'n tynnu hwnna allan, mae'n gallu bod yn gêm hollol wahanol, ond,
Sean, gêm gyfartal yn y pen draw, ac efo Hwlffordd yn sgorio reit ar y diwedd, dwi'n siŵr bod o'n deimlad eitha rhwystredig.
Oedd, 2 points drop efo'r ffordd nath y gêm fynd. Gol gyntaf nhw, dwi'n meddwl mae pawb yn y cae heb law y dyfarnwr ar y linesman yn meddwl bod hi'n foul, so dwi'n yn gwybod beth maen nhw wedi gweld yma yna. Mae even players nhw'n dweud bod hi'n foul, so mae'n bach yn harsh ydw.
Our first half performance, when you're playing against the top teams in the league, and we've done it twice against Penderfyniadau, we've done it today. You've got to take our chances when you're on top because good teams always find a way of scoring, and Caernarfon are a top 3 team, an excellent team in our league, and to then be 2-0 down in quick succession in the second half was disappointing, and because we didn't take our chances first half. But in credit to the boys, they kept going, and I always felt we were in the game.
Gol arall pnawn yma, ac oedd ni'n werth i gweld, siarad ni'n trwy ddi?
Oedd, dwi'n meddwl gallu just bel lawr ar y chwith o'r mwynco. Nes i gymryd y dyn on, nes i basio fo wedyn. Nes i hyd yn trio reiti ar target a nes i cyrlio fewn i'r top corner yna, so
Next up, it's Colwyn Bay at home next week, and a chance maybe to turn those very good couple of points you picked up into a win.
Yeah, we have to. Colwyn Bay are a good side. They beat us deservedly so up there. I think we were 2-0 down before we had a sending off, and then we had another sending off in the second half. But second half performance in Colwyn Bay was very good, but that's gone. Yeah, they deserved to beat us that day, really did, and we know that it's going to be a tough afternoon. But home games are important. We've got 3 home games left of our 7, and we've got to get as many points as we can from the 7 games, especially from our home games.